Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the iPad camera connection kit. It comes with two adapters. One is for reading SD cards, the other one is for connecting USB devices. The first one is basically an SD card reader. If your camera supports SD cards, then this will be a useful adapter for you. Otherwise, you won't use it. So stick your SD card into the slot. Turn on the iPad and connect the adapter. It's going to launch iPhoto, and just choose the photos you want. Tap on the import button, and when it's done, you can choose to keep the photos or delete them from the card. And that's it for this reader. The next adapter is the one for USB devices. So it supports mostly all the card readers out there. I got a Buffalo Universal Card Reader and a CF card, compact flash card. And just stick this into the iPad and repeat the process of importing pictures like we did earlier. Instead of using a reader, you can also connect your camera to the iPad directly. Just turn on your camera and using a USB cable, connect one end to your camera and the other end to the USB adapter. And then do the same thing for importing pictures. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to control GarageBand using the USB adapter. So here's the drum set. You can mess around with all the instruments here. These are all basically MIDI instruments or virtual instruments that you can control with your MIDI controllers. If you have a guitar or if you have a piano, a keyboard, you can connect it to the iPad using the adapter we talked about. I've got a U-Rock guitar, which is a MIDI guitar controller. It's got a USB output and a MIDI output. I'm going to use a USB because that's what the iPad accepts. So turn on the U-Rock guitar. I'm going to use tap mode, which means I don't have to strum the strings. And connect the other end to the USB adapter. And you can see that I have the guitar instrument selected on my iPad. And now you can hear me playing. You can even use the whammy bar. So everything is captured into the iPad. You can record it, and it will be recorded into a MIDI file. You can use a MIDI guitar to also control any other virtual instruments inside GarageBand, such as this organ here. The next app I'm going to show you is called Music Studio, and it's a music sequencing program that comes with a lot of instruments that the Apple's GarageBand didn't come with. For example, the organ, or you can see on the screen lots of flutes, saxophone, pan flutes, and you can control these instruments with the same adapter using either a MIDI guitar like the U-Rock guitar that I have here, or another MIDI guitar, or MIDI piano or keyboard controllers. It's got really nice sounds. Alright, the next gadget I'm going to show you is called the iMic. It basically lets you connect a mic into your iPad. Okay, I'm going to put this the speaker into the out jack here, so the sound comes out from here. And then I'm going to connect my iPhone and open up an app that I can play music on. And this app is called iPlay Classical Guitar. And basically now it's going to let me input the sound from this app directly into the iPad, into GarageBand. And this will eliminate any background noise. It'll just record the sound coming from the app on my iPhone. And you can use any amps or stomp pedals, effects pedals inside GarageBand, which is really cool. And make sure to turn on the noise gate to be on, or the input monitor to be on. And make sure you adjust the volume so it's not too loud, doesn't blow out your speakers. Now you can add all different kinds of sound and effects to this app, which is pretty cool. And you can record this inside GarageBand. It'll be saved as a WAV file. And you can always change the effects after recording, so it's very flexible. As you can see, there are many different types of amps that come with GarageBand. I think about 32 of them, and 10 different types of stomp boxes for adding effects to your amps. And you can also save these presets and name it yourself, so you can always use your own customized amp. Another app is called A+ MIDI Guitar. It's usually used with your computer to control your GarageBand with Wi-Fi. Now I'm using it just to play the guitar, and you can check out the effects that GarageBand adds to this app. Alright, the next thing is called the audio recorder, and this lets you record your voice through the built-in mic.
Alright, testing. See if this thing works.
And after you finish recording, you can use the 8 different types of sound effects inside GarageBand, like this one here, the squirrel effect,
See if this thing works.
the stadium effect, robot, monster, bullhorn. And here you see a recording that I did earlier, and you can control the volume level on each of the tracks, up to 8 tracks, and it sounds pretty cool. And it's all done inside GarageBand on the iPad. Alright, thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.